Tony, time and date check.
December 31st, 7:07 p.m. What do we got?
It's foggy.
5
it's
hours?
wet. We've got 5 hours.
Till we start the Polar Challenge Iron Butt.
Heading to somewhere in Virginia.
Somewhere.
Roanoke, I believe.
Roanoke, Virginia.
So, Amigo Tony and Amigo Matt are heading. Associate Amigo.
In training.
Amigo in training are taking the Pan Ams.
This is the final stage before he becomes a full Amigo.
This is the final test.
This gets him in.
So they're leaving Connecticut at exactly midnight at the ball drop on their Pan Americas. And they are heading to do the Polar Challenge.
Yeah.
Which is 1,000 miles in 24 hours performed on or during New Year's Day.
And it's raining and foggy outside.
And it's raining and foggy, but they lucked out with the temperature.
Supposed to be like 63 in Virginia, and I think a high like 50, 55 here.
Yeah, so you lucked out for sure. But bikes are all loaded up. Matt's got his giant loop to protect him, Graham behind him, and any of the 3 cars following them from rain. Graham's all ready to go. They're just keeping them out of the rain until they leave. They're going to eat some food, maybe get a nap on the couch, and then they're heading out.
Mm-hmm. Look at that Adam's Polish collection. That is beautiful.
That is beautiful.
That's how we keep them looking like this.
They're covered in mud.
All right, so the rest of the filming will be done by Tony.
See you at midnight.
All right, well, 12:01, Sunday the 1st. Tony and associate Amigo Matthew are heading out.
Soon to be associate.
They're doing the Polar Challenge, which is an iron butt ride on January 1st. The rain actually stopped. It's really warm for this time of year up in Connecticut. It's 52 degrees out right now, which is not bad. We've ridden in way colder. I think it was colder when we went to Tennessee 2 months ago. So it'll be a walk in the park for these guys. They're going to fly down 84, then 81, back towards Virginia, like we went down to Tennessee. It's a pretty straightforward route. Hit Virginia, which should be 501, 502 at the point they picked, and bang a Yui, as us New Englanders say, and
bang a Yui and head back up north.
Head back north. We're going to take off from this New Year's function we're at and be their witness for them. There's more than enough on this side. You got it.
Back in front of that car?
Yeah.
Straighten up, though.
Huh?
Straighten up. Come straight to Bobby.
Yep. Keep coming. Meet you at food bag. And there they go, off to do the Polar Challenge. 1,000 miles. January 1st, Sunday, 12:15 a.m. They're gonna be okay. It's 50 here, supposed to be 65 in Virginia. Well, they're already off to a good start. Matt filled up his bike and there was no receipt. So he had to go inside already, first pump. I think Graham had to do the same. What do I need to put?
Full name, put start, your full name, and then phone number, cell phone number. What?
We have Bobo signing off the official start.
Just go put like $2 in it. Just stay inside. You got a full tank, right?
You just put your fish in. No.
My phone number?
You're silly.
Yeah, if you could.
What else? Start, full name, and signature.
Yeah.
All right, Matt started. He's on the timer. Go, Matt, go. All right, now we got. All right,
Be out of here in like 25 minutes after I get everything.
we got Tony's. There you go, sir.
Can you look me up the name of a place in West Virginia?
West Virginia?
Or Virginia?
Virginia. I'll send you the hotel, Matt. All right, they're off. We're going to bed. I'm frozen. Could be worse. But cold. Still wet. Hasn't been raining. Been kind of foggy. We are just about 185 miles in. We're just over the Pennsylvania border. Bikes are good. Had to stop once, put on heated gear. Got our receipt here, got our picture. It's like 4 a.m.
The fog is not helping.
The fog is terrible, but it comes and goes. The yellow Bajas definitely cut through that, but we don't have time to spare. It's time to get going. See you at the next stop. This is the halfway point. Polar Bear Challenge. What do we have, 510 miles?
510.
Look at those things. Perfect. Now to turn around and head back north. Another 510 miles. $1,013 miles. Matt and I did it. We're getting our last receipt right now. Pick up the GoPro. We made it. And of course, the machine would eat my debit card to get the last receipt. Go figure. Oh, there we go.
Welcome. Where'd you go?
I have no fucking clue.
He pulled out into the street and took a right and went towards 140 near Danny's Pizza. I'm like, what is he doing?
Got a little confused.
How was it? Huh? How was it? Oh, it was easy.
A piece of cake?
Easy as pie.
You can't have a conversation with either of us right now. Our brains aren't working. 1013.
1013.
That's a good number. My phone and the GoPro died at the gas pump trying to film an outro at the same time.
All right, you open and I guess I'll take the lead. Whatever.
Chris, don't be weird.
Stop doing that. You freaking weirdo.
So, Matt and I have had a few days to recover and sleep after doing our IBA Polar Bear Challenge on New Year's Day. We did 1,000 miles on the 22 Pan Americas, and just kind of reflecting our thoughts about the trip. Oh, I hear afterburners on the jet. Oh, that's so cool. That almost sounds like the Pan America, am I right?
Yeah. But yeah, anywho, the whole purpose of the ride is a Saddle Sore 1000 on January 1st of the new year. And we chose to leave at 12:01 on January 1st after the New Year's Eve ball drop, and with no sleep.
Not a good idea.
Yep, not a good idea in retrospect. We left at 12:01, headed to, I believe it was Broadway, Virginia was the ending destination. Made it there in approximately, what, 9 or 10 hours?
About 9.5 hours.
9.5 hours or so. Pretty much no stops other than gas and, you know, a Slim Jim here and there. But,
The toughest
yeah,
fog.
the ride down was a lot of fog, a lot of rain. But other than that, no accidents, almost a possum hit.
There were points we were doing like 35 on the highway, just couldn't
Yep.
see 5 feet in front of us.
It was rough.
Even with the Bajas, they were just a little too bright, even with the fog was so thick.
Yeah, but once the sun came out, it was pretty smooth sailing until the fatigue set in. So anybody who does this in the future, whether it be a Saddle Sore 1000, Polar Bear, you know, Bun Burner Gold, do it with sleep,
Yeah.
because that was the killer. Because on the way back, we had we were pretty tired.
We were up for like 16 hours before we even left on our 17-hour trip.
Right. But the bikes did flawlessly.
Yep.
This was actually my first big trip with this bike after getting a new engine under warranty. Shout out to Old School Harley Davidson and their service department, Lydia and Chris. And
They've been great.
yeah, this was the first big trip with the new engine after the first one failed at about 11,000 miles due to a cam chain tensioner issue coming back from Canada. But no, the bikes are flawless, no codes, no breakdowns, and
Yeah.
yeah, it really went great.
We brought them both to the dealer like the day before we left, and they just updated all the software and checked them out, and
Yep.
they were perfect.
Yep.
It was a good ride.
Yeah, first of many more to come, I assume.
Yes. We want gold
So-
next.
Yep, Bun Burner Gold is next.
Yep.
Maybe on a warmer day with some more sleep, but yeah, it was fun.
Yeah. Other than that, enjoy the footage that we took, and thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next ride.